So as you know, I'm Barzan, and today I'll be giving a peer review and my opinion overall about the course I took, which was Corporate Finance with Diego. So first of all, let's start with the technical stuff I learned. Then I'll talk about the course as a whole. Some of the technical stuff. For example, one of the first things I learned was the role of a CFO in a company and the way the corporate structure works and how CFOs make investment decisions by looking at the NPV and if it's a positive yield NPV compared to its initial cost of investment. Of course, we look at this in principle of finance, but I learned it to a greater extent and relevancy in this course. With that being said, it's also with talking about investment decisions, it's also very important to know about the time value of money. So that was a great skill that I learned. So converting future incoming cash flows to what would it be worth now, so the present value of it, using a discounted rate, of course, coming up with a discount rate as well, which discount rates to use, and also the future value of money in the future, such as what would be worth in the future, for example, perpetuities and annuities. So perpetuities being a couponed amount of money you bring in that's coming to you every year or so for the rest of your life, and annuity for a limited time. So that's the difference between them. And also, one thing that I learned when I was trying to assess a company, which we did in my Carl Icahn project presentation, was personally I looked for the ratios. So I would go through the balance sheet, the financial statements, and do return on capital employed, the current ratio, the asset test ratio for liquidity, because as an active shareholder there was an exit point which you had to sell the company at. Its EPS, its gearing ratio as well, that was very important. Also, from an investment perspective, so if I want to do an investment in dividend yielding companies, how would I, based on that, I can use the discounted dividend model and take the discounted cash flow divided by the required rate that I need and evaluate what I'll be getting from those dividends, adjusting it for time value of money in the future as well. So that was a very helpful skill for me to learn. Also, in terms of the Carl Icahn project, like I said, I learned a lot. First of all was teamwork, so assigning roles as individuals to each other. I took the role of investigating more, getting to know Carl Icahn as an activist shareholder and his investment methodology, and also a bit more technical, looking at the ratios later on for the company that we choose in Malaysia. So that's what I did, and it was of great benefit to me. Yeah, so this course helped me a lot with my financial understanding of the markets, but most important on a corporate basis, how investors make investment decisions, and difference between passive, activist, investor, and so on. And thank you a lot, Diego. I really enjoyed the course, and hopefully I'll see you with some other time.